faces, edges and vertices. Here is a cuboid. This cuboid has 8 vertices or corners, 6 faces and 12 edges. All the edges are straight and all the faces are flat. But in a circular cylinder, the edges are curved and the faces are flat as well as curved. See the figure here. In sphere, there is no vertex, no edge and no flat face. Now, let us look at the number of vertices, edges and faces in various solids. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. A cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. A cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges and no vertices. A cone has 2 faces, 1 edge and 1 vertex. A sphere has 1 face, no edge and no vertex. A triangular prism has 5 faces, 9 edges and 6 vertices. A pentagonal pyramid has 6 faces, 10 edges and 6 vertices. Making solid shapes using straws and pipe cleaners. Making a cube. Use 12 straws of the same length, that is 10 cm. Use 8 pipe cleaners. Bend each pipe cleaner. Form this shape. Making a square pyramid. Use 4 straws 8 cm long. Use 4 straws 10 cm long. Bend 1 pipe cleaner for the top point like this. Bend 4 pipe cleaners like this. Making a square prism. Use 4 straws 10 cm long. Use 4 straws 8 cm long. Use 4 straws 6 cm long. Use 8 pipe cleaners. Form this shape. Making a triangular prism. Use 6 straws 8 cm long. Use 3 straws 10 cm long. Use 6 pipe cleaners. Form this shape. A polyhedron. A polyhedron is a surface bounded by planes. The bounded planes are called the faces of the polyhedron. The intersections of the faces are called the edges, and the intersections of the edges are called the vertices of the polyhedron. A regular polyhedron is one whose faces are congruent regular polygons. A regular polyhedron of 4 faces, 4 equilateral triangles, is a tetrahedron. Of 6 faces, 6 squares, is a hexahedron. Of 8 faces, 8 equilateral triangles, is an octahedron. Of 12 faces, 12 regular pentagons, is a dodecahedron. And of 20 faces and 20 equilateral triangles is an icosahedron. These regular polyhedrons are shown here. Prisms are, of course, polyhedrons. A prism is a polyhedron whose base and top are congruent polygons and whose other faces, that is lateral faces, are parallelograms in shape. On the other hand, a pyramid is also a polyhedron whose base is a polygon of any number of sides and whose lateral faces are triangles with a common vertex. A cylinder, a cone or a sphere is not a polyhedron. Regular polyhedron. A polyhedron is said to be regular if its faces are made up of regular polygons and the same number of faces meet at each vertex. This polyhedron is regular. Its faces are congruent regular polygons. Vertices are formed by the same number of faces. Views of 3D shapes. You know that 3D objects look differently when these are viewed from different directions. For example, a given matchbox can have these 3 views: front view, side view and top view. Similarly, a car can have these 3 views: front view, side view and top view.